أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وما كان الله ليضل قوما بعد إذ هداهم حتى يبين لهم ما يتقون إن الله بكل شيء عليم.
Allah would never lead a people astray after he had guided them, until he makes clear to them what they should guard against. Allah has knowledge of all things.
إن الله له ملك السماوات والأرض يحيي ويميت وما لكم من دون الله من ولي ولا نصير.
To Allah belongs the dominion of the heavens and the earth. He gives life, and he causes death, and besides Allah, you have neither protector, nor supporter.